Hello there. Darth Revan and I were wondering who'd blasted their way into our fortress. We've been making plans to destroy your pathetic little village, Ahsoka.
Obi-Wan Kenobi, big fan. Gonna try not to gush. And Darth Revan, not as familiar with your work, but based on your clothes, I'm thinking Old Republic? Not much of a talker. Okay.
Forget talking. Gotta get aggressive.
Dad, why are you so aggro?
Are you gonna help me or not?
Oh, I don't think so.
I guess that Force lightning can come in handy sometimes.
Don't make it a big deal. Not bad, Greebling.
Take another step and I'll gnaw your legs off.
You're all highly amusing, but quite doomed, I'm afraid.
You know, I think we'll take our chances. I'm not big on the giving up thing. You never know what's gonna happen.
See? Guess what? Servo! I made a friend!
For whatever reason, he likes this little lump of primitive circuitry.
Turns out Chewbacca thought we were the Solitus when he attacked us earlier. He also enjoys wearing bandoliers because they're practical and stylish.
Get them!